Have you ever noticed how your body doesn't quite respond the same way it used to? Maybe getting out of bed takes a little longer. Your morning walks feel slower. And some days you just don't have the spark you once did. It's easy to shrug and say that's just aging. But what if I told you that growing older doesn't have to mean feeling older? That you can restore your energy, strength, and mobility, no matter your age, starting right now? Here's the truth. Aging is something none of us can stop, but how we experience it is completely up to us. And the best part? You don't need expensive supplements, gym memberships, or drastic lifestyle changes. What you need are small, powerful habits that nourish your body, mind, and spirit, day by day. In this video, I'll share 5 simple, proven practices that can help you feel better, move better, and live better, starting today. These aren't quick fixes. They're lasting habits that build a stronger, more vibrant version of you. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final 2 habits I'll share aren't just about your physical health. They're about reclaiming your peace of mind and joy for life. Before we dive in, if you haven't already, please subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And if this message resonates with you, hit that like button and comment 1 below. It tells me that you're ready to live with renewed energy and strength. All right, let's begin. 1. Sleep. The silent healer. When you were younger, you could probably go to bed late, wake up early, and still feel fine. But as the years pass, sleep becomes one of the most powerful tools for maintaining your health, yet one of the first to slip away. You might find yourself tossing and turning, waking up in the middle of the night, or feeling exhausted even after 8 hours in bed. Sound familiar? Here's the good news. You can reclaim your rest. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for healing. During deep sleep, your body repairs tissues, strengthens the immune system, and even sharpens memory and focus. If you're not sleeping well, it's not just fatigue you're battling, it's slower recovery, higher stress, and a weakened body. Start by creating a peaceful sleep environment. Dim the lights an hour before bed. Turn off your phone and television. That blue light tricks your brain into staying awake. Try reading a calming book, stretching gently, or practicing deep breathing. Even something as simple as a warm shower or a few minutes of gratitude reflection can signal to your brain it's time to rest. And during the day, get a little natural light. It helps regulate your sleep hormones. Remember, every night of deep restorative sleep is like a quiet miracle for your body. It's your chance to reset, rebuild, and wake up ready to face another beautiful day. So tonight, don't just go to bed. Give yourself the gift of true rest. 2. Move more, sit less. Think about how much time you spend sitting each day, eating, reading, driving, relaxing on the couch. It might surprise you to learn that the average adult spends more than 9 hours a day sitting. And here's the problem. When we sit too long, our bodies slowly forget how to move. Muscles weaken, circulation slows, and even our joints start to stiffen. Over time, these small changes can make walking, bending, or climbing stairs feel harder than they should. But it doesn't have to be this way. You don't need to become a marathon runner or join a gym. What matters most is simply moving throughout the day. Stand up and stretch every hour. Take short walks, and even 5 minutes counts. Try gentle activities like gardening, dancing in your kitchen, or walking your dog. Movement isn't just physical, it's emotional too. It boosts your brain chemistry, lifting your mood and helping you think more clearly. Each step you take keeps your heart strong, your mind alert, and your independence intact. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. 10 minutes today becomes 20 next week. Before long, you'll start feeling stronger, more balanced, and more alive. So if you're sitting right now, here's your cue. Stand up. Stretch. Take a deep breath and move your body, because motion truly is medicine. 3. Step into the sunlight. When was the last time you paused to feel the warmth of the sun on your face? Sunlight isn't just comforting, it's essential. Your body needs sunlight to produce vitamin D, which strengthens your bones, supports your immune system, and improves your mood. But as we age, our ability to absorb vitamin D naturally decreases, and so does our time spent outdoors. Even just 10-15 minutes of gentle sunlight can make a big difference. A short morning walk, tending to plants, or simply sitting by an open window helps your body and mind reconnect with nature. Sunlight also resets your internal clock, helping you sleep better at night and feel more energized during the day. If you can, make it a daily ritual. Step outside, breathe in the fresh air, and let the light touch your skin. Use sunscreen if you're out for long periods, but don't fear the sun. It's one of the most natural healing tools we have. And here's something deeper. Those quiet moments outdoors remind you that you're part of something bigger. The rustle of the leaves, the warmth on your hands, the sound of birds, they ground you in the present moment. In that stillness, you rediscover peace. So let the sunlight be your daily dose of joy and renewal. It's free, it's simple, and it's one of the best gifts you can give yourself. 4. Strengthen your legs, your foundation of freedom. Our legs are more than limbs. They're our foundation. They carry us through life, from our first steps to our last journeys. But over time, we lose muscle strength if we don't actively maintain it. That's when we start noticing it's harder to get up from chairs, climb stairs, or walk long distances. The truth is, you can rebuild your strength no matter your age. Even small movements matter. Start with these simple exercises you can do at home. Chair stands. Sit and stand repeatedly to build thigh strength. Heel raises. Stand behind a chair, lift your heels slowly, and lower them. Seated leg lifts. While watching TV, lift one leg at a time to engage your core and thighs. Wall squats. If you're comfortable, lean against a wall and slide down slightly for a few seconds. You don't need to overdo it. Consistency is key. Just 5-10 minutes a day can help prevent falls, improve your balance, and make walking easier. And here's the emotional side. When your legs are strong, you feel free. You move with confidence. You say yes to adventures instead of worrying about how far you can walk. So don't underestimate the power of your legs. Give them a little love, a little movement, and they'll carry you through life with grace. Remember, it's not about age, it's about effort. Every small action counts, and every step forward is a victory. 5. Practice yoga or Tai Chi. Calm body, clear mind. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful and underrated habits you can add to your life. Gentle, mindful movement. Yoga and Tai Chi are centuries-old practices that combine strength, balance, and mindfulness. And they're especially powerful as we age. Why? Because they don't just train the body. They train the mind. Yoga teaches you how to breathe deeply, stretch gently, and listen to your body's signals. Tai Chi, often called meditation in motion, strengthens balance and coordination while calming your nervous system. These practices improve flexibility, posture, and even digestion. But perhaps their greatest power lies in how they help you slow down and reconnect with your breath, your body, and your peace of mind. You don't need fancy equipment or flexibility to start. You can practice in your living room, your backyard, or even seated in a chair. The point isn't perfection, it's presence. 10 mindful minutes a day can reduce stress, ease pain, and restore clarity. Imagine moving your body with grace instead of strain, feeling calm instead of rushed. That's the gift of yoga and Tai Chi. They remind you that even in stillness, there's strength. And perhaps most importantly, they remind you that aging doesn't mean disconnecting from your body. It means learning to honor it. So let's recap. Prioritize sleep, your nightly restoration. Move often, because motion keeps you young. Get sunlight, your daily dose of natural healing. Strengthen your legs, your foundation for independence. Practice yoga or Tai Chi, your path to peace and balance. These 5 habits aren't about fighting age, they're about embracing it with strength and grace. Because the goal isn't to live forever, it's to live well. Every small change adds up. Every mindful moment you invest in your health builds the future you deserve. So take a breath. Take a step. Take back your vitality one day at a time. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to join our growing elder wisdom community. And tell me in the comments, which of these 5 habits will you start today? Together, let's keep proving that growing older doesn't mean slowing down. It means growing stronger. Subscribe for weekly videos on living well, aging strong, and finding peace in every stage of life. Because your best years aren't behind you. They're right here, waiting to begin.